press start. Let's learn how Git saves your code and your sanity. Before Git, saving versions meant copying whole folders. Project Final version 2, Project Final Real. You lose track of what changed. You overwrite good work, and if two people edit the same file, total chaos. No history, no teamwork, game over. Enter Git, a version control system. It lives in a hidden folder called .git, right inside your project, and it remembers every change you ever made, like an unlimited stack of save points. Git is a time machine for your code. Here is how it works. First, you stage the changes you want to keep with git add. Then git commits takes a permanent snapshot stamped with an ID, your name, and a message. Every commit is a save point you can always return to. Because every snapshot is saved, you can look back through your entire history with git log and rewind. Made a mistake? Jump back to any commit or undo it completely. Your work is never truly lost. Now, the fun part, branches. A branch is a separate timeline. Want to build a new feature, brand of main and work freely, without ever breaking the code everyone depends on. Build without a fear. When your feature is ready, you merge it back into main. Git intelligently combines both timelines into one. Everyone's work united. Critical hit, merge complete. But watch out for the boss, the merge conflict. Sometimes two people change the very same line. Git can't guess who's right, so it asks you to choose. Pick the correct version, save, and conflict resolved. So far, Git is all on your computer, but you can sync to remote like a GitHub. Push your commits up to share them. Pull to grab your teammates' work. Now the whole team builds together from anywhere on Earth. Teamwork unlocked. Bonus stage. Today, over 90% of developers use Git. It's a worldwide standard for version control. Max it out. That's good. Save points for your code. A full history you can rewind. Safe branching. And teamwork without the chaos. You win. Thanks for playing.